This is Bart with MadDogz Trainz, doing a brief video how to adjust a timer system for your system on, and then for your timer on. But what's most critical is we're finding out is the distance between your timer on and your off. People have it adjusted too short of a time, because they're seeing when they come up to the trigger on and before magnet on, they don't want the crossing lights off sooner. So unfortunately, if you don't have a local that takes off real slow and you don't make it to the timer off, you have a problem with the system then. So once you get the adjustment from this timer on to the timer off, system works perfectly. We've had a lot of feedback, haven't had a problem. So you need to adjust the timer from timer on to your magnet off, but make sure your last car passes to have the crossing lights go off, and then see how the system on when you come back around. So what I'm saying is, when you energize your magnet on, system goes on. So you trip this one and then you're not going to hit this yet, so your timer will shut off. So a lot of guys are shutting them off sooner here. So once it shuts off, when you cross your timer on, cross your pathway or driveway, you have to hit this with your magnet with the loco. If you do not, you'll see you have an issue with the timer. So once you trip the magnet on, you have a green light and yellow light. Yellow light is the system's always activated. So now we're going to trip the system on for magnet on, so the timer is back triggered. So you're going from here to here now. That's where this is critical. So you have to have your light adjusted for your timer to have it still on from here to here. So once you reach from this to this, you won't have an issue. But right now, if the timer shut off, say you didn't make it to the off, what happens now is once you cross the off, you'll see where the green light goes to red. But now you come back around and you re-trigger the system. The timer is going to be on all the time because it's a triggered lock system. So right now